morning students. Myself Asha Meena, Assistant Professor in Chemistry, SD Government College, Byawar. Today we will study about applications of UV spectroscopy. So now we will start. First application, detection of impurities. UV absorption spectroscopy is one of the best methods for determination of impurities in organic molecules. Additional peaks can be observed due to impurities in the sample, and it can be compared with that of standard raw material. By also measuring the absorbance at specific wavelength, the impurities can be detected. This type of impurities is detected, and this type of peaks are observed due to impurities present in the sample. Next application, structure elucidation of organic compounds. UV spectroscopy is useful in the structure elucidation of organic molecule, the presence or absence of unsaturation, the presence of heteroatom. From their location of peaks and combination of peaks, it can be concluded that whether the compound is saturated or unsaturated, heteroatom are present or not. So, by the use of UV spectroscopy or UV spectra, we can determine compound is saturated or unsaturated, and also the heteroatom is present or not. Quantitative analysis. UV spectroscopy can be used for the quantitative determination of compounds that absorb UV radiations. This determination is based on Beer's law, which is as follows. Lambert-Beer law we will discuss in previous video. So now we can discuss next application, chemical kinetics. Kinetics of a reaction can also be studied using UV spectroscopy. The UV radiation is passed through the reaction cell and the absorbance changes can be observed. Next, detection of functional groups. This technique is used to detect the presence or absence of functional group in the compound. Absence of a band at particular wavelength regarded as an evidence for absence of particular group. Here benzene, this type of spectra is observed in benzene, but in toluene, here toluene in benzene one hydrogen is replaced by methyl group, then formation of toluene, and in this type of spectra is observed due to this methyl group. Distinction between conjugated and non-conjugated compounds. The following isomers can be readily distinguished since one conjugated and the other is not. Here the compound 4-methylpent-3-in-2-one. In this compound, conjugation is present. Here double bond, then single bond, then double bond. Here conjugation is present, so energy gap between the allowed energy levels is decreased. So this compound absorb at longer wavelength. And in this compound 4-methylpent-4-in-2-one, in this compound here double bond, then single bond, then single bond, then double bond. So this compound does not exist conjugation. So here energy gap between the allowed energy levels is increased. So this compound show wavelength at maximum absorption maxima. So forbidden n-pi star transition for carbonyl group in the compound A will appear at longer wavelength compared to that of compound B. The alkyl substitution in the alkene causes a bathochromic shift. Next application, elucidation of the structure of vitamin A and vitamin K. The UV spectra of vitamin K1 and K2 are due to the presence of same chromophore as in 2,3-dimethyl-naphthalene. The absorption maxima of this compound are 243, 249, 260, 269 and 330 nanometer. Vitamin A1 absorbs at 325 nanometer. The absorption maxima for vitamin A2 appear at 287 and 351 nanometer, that is at longer wavelength. Due to presence of additional this ethylic bond. So in this compound, absorption maxima is observed due to the longer wavelength due to ethylenic bond. This ethylene bond is chromophoric group. Next, preference over two tautomeric forms. If a molecule exists in two tautomeric forms, preference of one over the other can be detected by UV spectroscopy. For example, 2-hydroxypyridine exists in equilibrium with its tautomeric form pyridone 2. Here the spectra of these two compounds were found to favor pyridone 2, which is an alpha beta unsaturated ketone. Hence the equilibrium is shifted towards the left, that is pyridone 2. So this compound, this alpha beta unsaturated compound, here the conjugation is present. So this equilibrium is shifted towards this compound pyridone 2. Here conjugation is shifted towards with alpha beta unsaturated ketone. Identification of configuration of geometrical isomers. Cis alkenes absorb at different wavelength as compared to their corresponding trans isomers. The distinction between becomes possible when one of the isomers is forced to be non-coplanar by steric hindrance. Thus, cis form suffer distortion and absorption occurs at lower wavelength. Consider geometric isomers of stibline. Here, two forms of stibline. One is cis form and this is trans form. Here, steric hindrance is present in cis form and does not exist in trans form. Steric effect decreases conjugation. So, in the geometrical isomers, the cis isomer is more sterically hindered than the trans. So, this trans isomer achieve coplanarity of pi electrons systems more readily. So, a band which appears at 290 nanometer in the trans stibline has a value of 283 in cis stibline. Thank you.